Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, April 3rd, 2000, 9:30 a.m. Did I not ask you to not look back anymore? Try not to feel offended by such and such a matter. It is high time to situate yourself elsewhere. Don't you have better things to do than frittering away your energies? To reach some planes, one's thoughts must be divested of useless aspects, focused only on the objective to be reached. You should practice tracking the least variation so that your thoughts become as pure as crystal. Old habits should be put aside. Thoughts are the thread of this path. They constitute the envelope of the divine light which dwells in you. Everything must be purified to deserve it. The more one advances, the subtler the work. Become well aware of this aspect. You are with yourself and you lead part of the game. Therefore, you should do what it takes for that. The Venerable. Tuesday, April 4th, 2000, 8:30 a.m. Did I not tell you that we were going to do good work together? When will you start believing it? Your surprises are not yet over. When well directed, the power of the Spirit can transform matter. It is now about consolidating that which can be consolidated. God in His infinite kindness makes it possible for us to assist humans to make them become aware of the true meaning of life and to open their eyes to the realities of the beyond. There is no predetermined choice. Grace goes where it must go. Happy is the being who receives it. His destiny takes on a new meaning. Let us continue together to do this work on you, to give you the physical and moral strength to carry through what you must achieve. This blessed moment of your life is also its achievement. The Venerable. Same day at 10 a.m. What is happening to you is a rare opportunity. Become well aware of the luck you have. No life is useless, but yours has a special meaning. You can be thankful for having been chosen to serve God's intentions. My dear daughter, I am happy to see your evolution, even if you still have a long way to go. You have reached a critical point where there is no limit to what we can hope for. The road to the Holy of Holies is long. We bless you for your efforts. By striving to serve us out of love, you are shaping your own evolution. Continue what you are doing with the Venerable. That does not change anything with our relationship, which is immutable. Babuji. The medium says, Beloved Father, it is so good to come and rejuvenate myself by your side. My heart is happy.